Hi everyone, in this video, I will explain to you how to fix frame substitution recursion attempt aborting after multiple attempts on File Premiere Pro. So first step is, check for an update, then if there is an update, simply update your Premiere Pro. Some of the users fix their problem with this. Now, step 2 is transcode or encode the problem file. The source video might be using a codec that Premiere struggles with. Use Adobe Media Encoder, Handbrake, or Shutter Encoder to convert the file to a more editing-friendly format like ProRes, DNxHD, or H.264. A third solution is use software-only rendering. Sometimes, hardware acceleration causes decoding errors. Here's what you need to do. Go to File, go to Project Settings, then General. Under Video Rendering and Playback, switch from Mercury Playback Engine GPU Acceleration to Mercury Playback Engine Software Only. And last step is check for corruption. Open the video file in VLC or QuickTime. If playback fails or glitches, the file is likely corrupted. Try recovering it using a tool like FF, MPEG, or Digital Video Repair, or replace it with a backup if possible. And that's basically it.